Welcome to Life Advisor Akila. Today we'll explore a life-changing topic, mindfulness for beginners, simple practices for daily calm. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the busyness of life, this video is for you. Let's dive in and discover how to bring more calm and clarity into your daily routine. Mindfulness is the art of being fully present in the moment. It's about paying attention to what's happening right now without judgment. And the good news, it's simpler than you think to get started. The first practice is as simple as breathing. Take a moment to close your eyes. Breathe in deeply through your nose for a count of 4. Hold for 4, and exhale slowly for 6. Do this for just 2 minutes to center yourself. It's like hitting the reset button on your mind. Next, try a quick body scan. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and bring your attention to each part of your body, starting from your toes and moving up to your head. Notice any sensations, tension, warmth, or relaxation, and simply acknowledge them. This practice helps you reconnect with your body and ease physical stress. Mindful eating is another great way to practice mindfulness. The next time you eat, slow down. Focus on the taste, texture, and aroma of your food. This not only enhances your enjoyment, but also helps you appreciate the moment fully. Begin your day with a moment of mindfulness. This could be journaling your thoughts, enjoying a quiet cup of coffee, or simply setting an intention for the day. These small moments of calm can set the tone for a more focused and peaceful day. End your day by reflecting on 3 things you're grateful for. It could be something as simple as a kind word from a friend or the beauty of nature. Gratitude helps shift your focus from what's wrong to what's right in your life. Mindfulness doesn't have to be complicated. By starting with these simple practices, you can bring more calm, clarity, and balance into your life. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Life Advisor Akila for more life success tips. Start your mindfulness journey today and embrace the calm you deserve.